Good morning, everybody. Today, we finally got our remote control replacement. It came in the mail today. I had to order it. You got to be careful because this looks like it's the right one. There's several, but the slight differences, and who knows if they're going to work. So, we're all excited here. The littlest things make us very excited. So that's that. That's a long COVID hibernation does it to people. So I have to get the batteries out of the old one and put it into here, and we're gonna run it for the test. So here's the old one. And you can see there's rubber bands on it, and it's kind of all schlepped up. And even the little rubber thing here, bezel, doesn't work quite right. So you press on it, it's aggravating. So this one's on the way out, but I had to be pretty careful. See, it is slightly different, but at least all the buttons are marked the same. Yeah, it is slightly different. So we'll see if it's if it was a good buy. Well, let's unbox it, as they say, and see if it is as good as the old one was, or better, hopefully. And I took the old one out, and I'm getting the batteries out of it. These are brand new batteries, by the way. These are expensive batteries. They're about $1 each. So I may as well get some. Oh, see, this is a little different too in the back. Well, we're going to find out, aren't we? It's so complicated to do this. No. I can do it. Okay. The batteries are on board, as they say. Yeah, it's a little different, isn't it? Alright, let's see. Power up the TV. Here we go. You can watch the TV too. Is the TV up there? Here we go. Power on. And there it goes. Oh, I'm so amazed. Honey, come on, see it work. She's busy. I know, she's only busy because it's too exciting. See, on the TV right now happens to be a trip we're thinking about taking. It starts in Naples, they land you there, and it goes down to the Amalfi Coast, which is really cool. We could stop in Pompeii. They just discovered something new in Pompeii, if you believe that. More of the excavation went on, and they chunked off about 25% more that we had not seen. And I think the amphitheater and some other really cool things have been discovered. Anyway, that, and then they take us Rome. Oh. They would stop us in Rome for a day, and then up to Orvieto, which is a beautiful place. And then up to where we haven't been, Barberino Val d'Elsa. Have we ever been up there? And have we ever been to Val d'Elsa?
No, if you can't say it, don't say it at all.
All right. How about Barberino?
No.
Okay.
That was Vinnie Barberino from Welcome Back, Kotter.
See, I got that one right. All right. And then it takes you eventually over to Venice. And we see Ravenna, too, which has got some really amazing stuff there, too. In fact, the papacy was housed there for a number of years, and they brought along a lot of...
No, I think it goes to Ravello.
Ravello?
Not Ravenna.
Oh.
Ravenna's on the east coast, on the Adriatic. That doesn't go over there.
Well, it drops us off at Venice. I thought a stop...
Ravenna's down here somewhere.
Yeah.
It's way...
All right. So I'm wrong.
I think it's Ravello somewhere in there.
Okay. Well, let's see if Netflix comes in on the TV. Ooh, pretty quick action, too.
Ooh.
Choose one. Let's see if the middle button works. Oh, sweet.
Give me that old one. I hate it so.
She hates this one. She's going to do all kinds of mean things.
Do you have the batteries out of it?
Yeah.
Or you can have this rubber
Here,
band
you
there.
can have this. Oh,
I hate you so.
she does. She really hates that thing. Because you press on it for like 20 seconds and nothing happens. And then the opposite thing that you think is going to happen happens. Oh, this is nice. It even has kind of a snapple to it. A little crackle to it every time you press the right button. Oh, I'm impressed. Yeah, oh yeah. You wouldn't believe how much aggravation something like that gives you when it's just really, and now, honey, come try this. Oh, look at that. It works every time. Oh, it has a little snap to it too. Let's see if the mute works, because that's a popular button we use. I'm just gonna put something on, unless you want to try it. Well, she's excited, but in her own way. Now we're gonna put the volume on.
Attorney for the former Mrs. Corwin Fletcher. Time to use the service entrance.
Oh, sweet. Let's see if the mute button works. Yes, it does. Alright. I think we're happy with this new one. You know, I'll tell you what the price was. It was only $6 and like 94 cents. But you gotta be careful. I bought it on eBay. And you gotta be kind of careful because, let me mute this. Because there's like 10 different varieties of this. And this one had some kind of numbers on it. And then I was real careful to make sure it all matched up. That's the one I bought. And they free shipping. So it was like $7. For all that.
Brother.
Look at that.
I'm your twin brother.
Here, try it. Increase the volume, put the mute on it, whatnot. And then just sort of run it through its paces.
Nice.
It clicks.
Yeah.
Now, if you wanted, let's say I'm done with that show, I want to go to another one. You do that one that's, I always say southwest, and then now go down, arrow key.
It's very nice.
Isn't it?
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, she
I don't
likes
want
it.
to watch TV anyways.
What is this called? Queso e...
Queso Blanco. White cheese.
White cheese. Yeah.
Oh.
Judy made guacamole with queso cheese.
Said avocados are very good for your heart.
And on Mission chips,
Heart
which are very good. And they're
Crispy.
the price is good too.
I never want to go out again. I just want to eat here.
They're so delicious. Oh, there's a little heat to it.
No, but that's the queso.
Is that right? Oh, there's a little bit of like a pepper
There's
blend.
little mild salsa
Chili. It's
In
like
the-
a hot chili.
guacamole, but
I was only gonna have one, and I think I'm gonna number 3 or 4. Here's what it looks like. Doesn't it look delicious? Oh my.
who are you sending this to?